Sound of a bustling, energetic city. A montage of people interacting with their smartphones, using apps, and engaging in digital transactions. Narrator, voiceover. Imagine a world where financial transactions are as seamless as sending a text message. A world where your money is safe, accessible, and empowers you to take control of your financial future. Is this a dream? Or is it a reality? Cut to a shot of a person using the Kraken app on their phone. Narrator, today, we're diving deep into the world of Kraken, a cryptocurrency exchange that's making waves globally. Is it just for tech-savvy enthusiasts? Or can anyone benefit from its services? Body. Section 1. What is Kraken? Visuals of the Kraken logo, a sleek and modern interface, and various cryptocurrencies. Narrator, Kraken, founded in 2011, is one of the oldest and most reputable cryptocurrency exchanges. It offers a wide range of services, including buying, selling, trading, and staking various cryptocurrencies. But what sets it apart? A montage of quick cuts showing different features of the Kraken app, such as advanced charting tools, secure wallets, and easy-to-use interfaces. Narrator, Kraken's commitment to security is unparalleled. They employ industry-leading practices to protect your funds, including cold storage, multi-signature wallets, and regular security audits. Section 2. Is Kraken just for experts? Visuals of people from diverse backgrounds, ages, and tech savviness using the Kraken app. Narrator, while Kraken may seem intimidating to some, it's actually designed to be accessible to users of all levels. Whether you're a seasoned crypto trader or just starting out, Kraken offers tools and resources to help you navigate the world of cryptocurrencies. A quick tutorial showing how to create a Kraken account, deposit funds, and make a simple trade. Narrator, one of the key factors that make Kraken accessible is its user-friendly interface. Even if you're new to crypto, you can easily find your way around the platform and execute trades with confidence. Section 3. The benefits of using Kraken. Visuals of people celebrating financial gains, securing their wealth, and enjoying the freedom of decentralized finance. Narrator, using Kraken offers several significant benefits. First and foremost, it provides you with a secure and reliable platform to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. This can be especially valuable in volatile markets where you need to act quickly and efficiently. A montage of people using Kraken to diversify their portfolios, earn passive income through staking, and access global markets. Narrator, second, Kraken gives you access to a wide range of cryptocurrencies, allowing you to diversify your portfolio and potentially maximize your returns. Additionally, Kraken offers various earning opportunities, such as staking and lending, which can help you generate passive income. Section 4. Is Kraken right for you? Visuals of people pondering decisions, weighing options, and ultimately making informed choices. Narrator, before you decide to use Kraken, it's important to consider your individual needs and goals. If you're looking for a secure, reliable, and user-friendly platform to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies, Kraken is definitely worth considering. A quick recap of the key benefits and features of Kraken. Narrator, however, it's essential to do your own research and understand the risks associated with investing in cryptocurrencies. Conclusion. A final shot of the Kraken logo, followed by a montage of people celebrating financial success and freedom. Narrator, whether you're a seasoned crypto trader or just starting out, Kraken offers a powerful and accessible platform to help you achieve your financial goals. So, is Kraken only for us? The answer is a resounding no. It's for anyone who wants to take control of their financial future and embrace the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. Narrator, with that said, thanks for watching and until next time.